Hey everyone, it's Serge Berger here. A few days ago, we sent out an email video actually, and I talked about two ETFs that look to have plenty of more upside. According to our market Rover, spot on, the PAVE ETF, PAVE, continues to march higher. The other one that we talked about is KRE, regional banks, beautiful breakout here on this one. Now as well, also flagged to us by the market Rover. Today I want to talk about another one, and that is retailers, the XRT ETF. If you go into our market Rover, you can see that the market Rover has had the XRT ETF bullish now since, let's see here, since August of 2020. If all you would have done is buy the XRT when the market Rover told you to, you would now be up, I think, something like 85% or something like that, if that's all you would have done. So that's the market Rovers. That's nice to know, and that's certainly the confirmation we are looking for. Let me quickly do the math just to make sure I wasn't saying anything silly. Yeah, about 80, let's say between 80 and 85%, depends exactly where you measure it. But that's what's going on. So let's have a look at the XRT ETF, which consists basically of a bunch of retailer stocks. And you can see as of today, when I'm recording this here, a nice breakout taking place out of a base that has been basically all year in the making. We do think this is higher to go. Now the question is how high. This is an ETF. It doesn't, it doesn't move like a 50% or anything like that. But if you take just a measured move of, say, just the width of like this, let me quickly walk you through this, of like this little range here, the tight end of the range, that should get us to, and I'm going to quickly show you how to measure this and annotate it. So I'm just going to measure this. I'm going to duplicate this, and I'm going to add it on top. And a measured move of this with this analysis would get the XRT somewhere towards the high, 108, 109 area, call it 110 if you will. So another, what is that, like another 8% upside or so? Yeah, 7 or 8%, or maybe within there, give or take a couple percent. So that's what's going on here. That's the daily chart. Now, of course, the week isn't yet over as I'm recording this, but on the weekly chart, you can see this looks even better. We've, again, been consolidating here pretty much all year since January, you can see. And this is a pretty nice confirmation. Now, does it have to move higher in a straight line from here? Not necessarily, but this is a nice thing. The longer the base, the higher in space is, I believe, what they say. And so that is one thing that we're looking at. And again, the great thing is that it's confirmed by the market Rover, which has had us bullish the XRT since August of last year. Again, it's if all you would have done is buy when the market Rover told you to, you'd be up like 80, 85%. And on top of that, now actually, yeah, more. And actually more like 90% actually now that we had a breakout. So, we do think there's another leg higher here into, again, that 108, 109, maybe 110 area or so. Hope it helps. We'll see you again soon.